Hello everyone, let's solve other example. Question is rewrite the following sentences using the simple past or the present perfect tense of the verbs given in the bracket. So let me tell you simple past. Simple past means second form of verb. Yes. And present perfect means has, have plus V3. So in between these two, according to the sentence, we have to choose the verb and we have to fill the verb in that form. Your first sentence is the air hostess lock the doors of the plane it is soon going to take off. So this is the verb lock and this is not the correct form. We have to choose between simple past and present perfect tense that which verb will be correct here, which verb will be appropriate, suitable. So the air hostess locked the doors of the plane. It is soon going to take off. When something relates with the present, no, then we go for a present perfect tense. So it is soon going to take off means the action just now done and it is soon going to take off. So when the action just now completed, that will be present perfect tense. So here the answer will be has locked. Okay, now the second one. You understand the lesson? Question mark. I bring some comprehension questions for you to answer. I am sure you will find them quite easy, said the teacher. So, you understand the lesson. So, this thing somebody is asking at that present time that action is done. So, we will ask like this, no? Have you understood? So this is question mark. So in interrogative form, first has have will come, then subject, and then third form of a verb. So before you, we will write have you understood. So here it will be have you understood. So have you understand the lesson? I dash some comprehension questions for you to answer. So something has brought, yeah. So I have brought comprehension questions for you to answer. I am sure you will find them quite easy. And this whole thing is said by the teacher. So here we will write say will become said. This all things will related to somehow present form, action done. Okay, brought the questions. So this and this will go for a present perfect tense, and this thing, all these things are said by the teacher. So we'll write said. Now third sentence. I am sorry, I not see your water bottle. Perhaps you leave it in the playground when you last drink water from it. So many things are there. Three sentences in this. So here somebody is saying I am sorry. So this is related with the present. Yes, I am sorry, I haven't seen your water bottle. So I haven't seen your water bottle. I haven't seen your water bottle. So perhaps you leave. Leave will become second form of verb left. Because this action done in past. And in present he is saying I am sorry. I haven't seen anywhere. Yes. So I am sorry I haven't seen your water bottle. Perhaps you left it in the playground. This much. And when you last drink water from it. Now somebody is asking when you last drink, that means in past. So when did you use this? Yes. So this will go for a normal past indefinite tense. So past indefinite tense, but it should be interrogative. So interrogative, did plus subject plus first form of a verb. So when, here we will write did. When did you last drink? Yes, drink only, because with the negative and interrogative in past and definite, first form of verb will come. So when did you last drink water from it? Question mark. Now coming to the next one. Next, when I be a child, my father take me to visit almost all the historical places of Delhi, but I not see the Red Fort yet. So here B. So B is actually auxiliary and its forms is am, are, was, were. In open form, according to the tenses, we use is, am, are, was, were, and B is auxiliary. Yes. So when B is here, that means we have to fill is, am, are, was, were. Yes. Among these we have to fill. Now you know this is the tense is about in past. When I dash a child, so B will go with was. When I was a child. My father. So it is almost in past. My father, second form of verb. Take, took. My father took me to visit almost all the historical places of Delhi, but I yet. Yet means now. Yes, till now. So it's related with the present. So when something relates with the present, complete. At this moment, action completed, not completed, that will go for a present perfect tense. But I haven't seen. But I haven't seen. Have, because it is not, so we will write haven't. Have not. Third form of verb, haven't seen the Red Fort yet. Next one. A customer come to the shop early in the morning and buy 4 loaves of bread. So it is general past that somebody came and bought loaves of bread. So we'll write here came, second form of verb, and buy will become bought. So a customer came to the shop early in the morning and bought 4 loaves of bread. Next, sixth one. Your performance in most of the subject is good, but why? You secure poor grades in science. So this sentence, you can say somebody is speaking and it is about in present, that your performance in most of the subject is good. Is good. But why? Have you secured poor grades in science? So it will become, this is why it is, so we have to write an interrogative form. After why, auxiliary will come. Why have you secured poor grades in science? Next one, seventh. Doctor, I am sorry for disturbing you so early in the morning. My father suddenly slipped in the bathroom and I am afraid he hurt his right leg. So, doctor, I am sorry for disturbing you so early in the morning. Yes, my father suddenly slipped in the bathroom. So this action was done before only, na? So we have to write in past indefinite, that means simple past. So suddenly slipped. Suddenly slipped, second form of verb. And I am afraid. And I am afraid he has hurt. Because hurt right now also, he has the impact of this. Yes, hurt. So we'll go for a present perfect. Slipped, that done before, but got hurt, has impact in present. So we'll go for a present perfect tense. So my father suddenly slipped in the bathroom and I am afraid he has hurt his right leg. Now the next exercise. Let's read the question. Fill in the blanks with correct tense, present continuous. So what is present continuous? Is, am, are and ing form of verb. Or present perfect continuous. What is present perfect continuous? Has, have, been plus ing form of verb. Yes, let me write over here. Is, am, are plus ing form of verb. Here has, have, been plus ing form of verb given in the brackets. So you have to choose between present continuous or present perfect continuous according to the sentence which suits the best. So before doing this exercise, I just want to tell you, you have to learn the rules of the tenses. Otherwise, it will be difficult for you to fill the correct tense. Yes? Now the first sentence is, she dash classes to improve her dancing. Attend. So when we talk about action going on at the time of speaking, so we'll go for a present continuous tense. So we'll write, she is attending classes to improve her dancing. Is attending. Next one, she dash Kathak ever since she was a child. She is now a renowned Kathak dancer. So when action has started sometime in the past and is still continuing, what is that? Present perfect continuous. When the action started at some time in the past and is still continuing, this is called present perfect continuous. So action started when she was a child and still continuing. Yes, and she is now a renowned Kathak dancer. So here what we have to fill? We have to fill in present perfect continuous. That means she has or have. Has. She has been learn. So learn will become learning. She has been learning Kathak ever since she was a child. Next one. Since when dash plays, you use, we have to fill subject you, and write and direct. These two verbs, we have to fill these two verbs. So since when, so this is also action started at some time and still continuing is about. Since when have you been? Since when have you been writing and directing? So here it is an interrogative form, no? So that's why the action has, when it has started, is not given, because here it is asking, it is interrogative sentence. Likewise in the previous sentence it is given, no, she was a child. So action when started sometime, what time of the past is given over here, but in this sentence it is not given because it is question, no, it is asking. So then also we have to write, because it is about action has started sometime in the past and still continuing. So that's why he's asking, since when have you been writing and directing plays? Question mark. Now next one, fourth one. Our scientists dash to produce electricity from solar energy but haven't been very successful. Our scientists dash to produce electricity. That means scientists trying, yes, trying for a long time. So that means action started from a past and still continuing, yes. So this is also will be present perfect continuous only. So our scientists, so many scientists, so we'll go have, not has. Our scientists have been trying to produce electricity from solar energy but haven't been very successful. Next one. These days, Madhu dash dress designing at the National Institute of Fashion Technology. So these days, what do you mean by these days? These days means at the time of speaking, now. So these days, Madhu is learning. It is present continuous tense, nothing else. These days, Madhu is learning dress designing at the National Institute of Fashion Technology. So nowadays, okay, the next one, sixth one. Mukul dash an export house for the past 5 years. So action started from the since last 5 years. Yes, so it will be present perfect continuous. So Mukul singular subject, then singular verb will come, has been successfully running. Run will become running. Mukul has been successfully running an export house for the past 5 years.